guys, I'm Mayie and welcome back to my channel. Alright, I already filmed the vlog, but when I tried to edit it, only to find out that my introduction got corrupted. So I'm trying to remake another introduction. Good thing that I still have the rest of the videos because I did it on a separate video. Okay, so for that, this is just about an introduction of my today's vlog, and in today's episode, we'll be doing another makeup vlog. Yes, it's no makeup look. Well, for me, no makeup look is just, or of course, you literally have your makeup on, but the products that you use are too minimal. However, you're putting highlight or an emphasis on some of the features of your face. So it's like you're just putting lipstick on and you're good to go, or maybe on your eyebrows. Well, as for me, it's gonna be my eyebrows, eyelashes, and cheeks. So I'm trying to focus on these features of mine. And yeah, so let's see what it would look like. But also, part of this video, I'm gonna be unboxing my first ever mini makeup case. You know how much I love doing makeup, but I don't have a good storage for them. So I don't have huge collection of makeup yet. I actually started buying some of makeup kits early this year, January to be exact. So I'm so excited. I received it 2 weeks ago and I haven't been opening it because I want to open it with you guys. That's it. So without any further ado, let's start, or yeah, let's continue this video with the video that I already made. And if you haven't subscribed already to my YouTube channel, Maylabs, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. Let's move on. Of course, skincare first. So basically, makeup look is just a natural look actually, and you're just doing your skincare routine without putting too much makeup. I'm using this Go and Glow set of Vanilla ko. So it's Dear Hydration Toner. I love this set before putting makeup on because it moisturizes my skin. Like, it's super lightweight. And after that, toner. This Dear Hydration Boosting Cream. Small lang siya. Pinakita ko to sa Lazada haul ko. My first ever Lazada haul. Hindi ako masyado maglalagay sa T-zone. Kasi ito yung super oily na part. Ito lang tayo sa mga gilid-gilid. Sunod, Pore Eraser Baby Skin from Maybelline. So yan, dito lang ako maglalagay sa part ng skin ko na malalaki yung pores ko, especially on my T-zone. What I love about this product, guys, in an instant, para talagang mai-erase niya, or somehow magkakaroon ng difference sa pores mo. So much for the creams. Another cream or another layer of sun cream. So this time it's UV sunscreen from Dio Pros that I bought from Watsons. It's SPF 50 and it's like a tinted sunscreen. So yung color niya, guys, parang pang foundation. I shared this on my previous vlog, Watson's haul. Parang ito na yung makeup natin. Hindi naman siya sticky, but hydrated yung skin mo, ganun. So what we have to do is put powder. Kailangan natin mag-powder para ma-set in yung cream na nilagay natin, guys. So this one, I also shared this product in my Watson's haul vlog. Gusto ko tong powder na to kasi matte finish siya. So, di ba parang wala lang, pero marami ka nang nilagay na creams. Super natural lang. Huwag natin lagyan yung pimple ng concealer kasi, di ba, no makeup look nga. So, It's acceptable. It's acceptable na may pimple ka dyan. Diyos, palusot lang. Pero, seriously, hindi ko siya lalagyan ng concealer. Ayan, seamless lang talaga yung finish nung ginawa ko sa makeup ko. Or, sasad ko pa siya ng sponge. Para talagang ma-press siya. Okay. So, yan. Brows. So, yes. My favorite. Because it's so easy to apply. It's so easy to use. See? As I said, I'll just be highlighting my brows, my lashes, and my cheeks. But wait, we'll be setting it in with bushy brow. Let's spray a facial mist. Okay. Ganyan lang siya. At least, diba, mas buhay siyang tingnan compared dito. Ito yung uso ngayon, guys. Yung bushy brows and feathery brows. Anting brows, ganun. After that, we'll do the lashes. And we'll be using Maybelline Hyper Curl. Grabe guys, talagang nakatulog na ako kanina sa paghihintay para lang magkaroon ako ng moment ko sa pag-vlog. At ayun, feeling ko tulog pa rin ako. Guys, madaling araw na, so maririnig nyo talaga yung tila ako ng mga manok. Sobrang like ko guys yung outcome ng coverage sa face ko. Kasi, as in, super seamless lang siya. Parang wala akong nilagay na creams and powder. Kasi, kakuhay lang talaga siya ng balat ko. Okay. And now, blush on. Or cheek blush. Sun's face. And for the lipstick, guys, product from Maybelline again. It's Clay Crush. My ever favorite lippy na na-discover ko lang sa friend kong si Jelly. Pinatry niya sa akin to kasi favorite daw niya to. Na naging favorite ko na din. Kasi ang ganda talaga. Natural lang talaga siya, guys. Diba? Actually, paubos na talaga siya. So, hindi ako nagpapawala ng ganito. Kaya, bibili na ako. So, this is my no makeup look. Well, to finish it up, I'll be using this Dear Hydration Facial Mist. Alright. I think it's enough. Enough. Okay, so if you like my no makeup look, just give it a thumbs up, guys. Or you can drop a comment in the comment section. So now, excited ako sa susunod dahil i-unbox na natin tong makeup case ko, guys. But before that, I'll show you yung pinaglalagyan ko ng makeup ko talaga. Well, ito lang siya, guys. Tanan! Gallery, home gallery, baka naman. Sa SM ko, ay, Pure Gold. Sa Pure Gold ko pala ito binili. So, dito lang talaga nakalagay yung makeup ko, diba? I'm such a poor woman. And, ito yung nabili ko sa Lazada naman. Tadaan! Makeup case! I-unbox na natin siya. Super nagustuhan ko kasi 2 days lang ako naghintay. Thank you so much, Lazada. And sa seller na rin. So, excited akong buksan. Sana maganda talaga siya. Ang ganda na pati ng pagkakapack niya. Well, super nice. So, let's see. Ayusin ko lang yung table ko. Hi guys! So, tatayo na lang ako para makita niyo kung paano ko siya ina-unbox. siya. Floral kasi yung... ang alam ko floral yung na-order ko eh. Pero bakit heart siya? Pero, ang nice niya. Oh. Promise. Yung ibabaw pa lang, gusto ko na siya. Yan! Tinig! Wow! May mini makeup case. Oh. Wow! Hi! Ang ganda! In fairness. Pero hindi ito yung in-order ko. Ang alam ko, floral yun. Hindi heart. Ngayon na rin natin i-transfer yung mga makeup ko dito. Okay? Ayusin na natin. Let's go! Nako girl! So, confirmed! Hindi nga ito yung design na in-order ko sa Lazada. Floral talaga yun. Tatandaan ko talaga floral yun eh. So, ito siya oh. O, diba? Ang layo sa heart. Pero okay na rin. Disappointed lang talaga ako na iba yung design na napadala sa akin. Well, what matters most naman is may makeup case na ako. Iba nga lang talaga yung design. So, it's not my thing. But, okay. Kasi, obvious naman, girl. I really love floral. Hello. So, let's transfer na my makeup or my things. So guys, I'm back and that's it for unboxing my mini makeup case. So far na-enjoy ko naman siya. And na-appreciate ko naman siya, in fairness, habang nag-transfer ako from canister. Ang wino-worry ko lang is, what if for my future purchase of makeup, saan ko sila ilalagay? Actually, meron pa akong makeup na hindi nalalagay ito, yung BLK Universal 2.0 collection ko. Hindi ko lang po kung saan ilalagay. Bahala na. Baka mapagkasya ko naman sila pag mas naayos ko pa yung arrangement. It's still nice kahit na hindi yun yung nakuha kong or hindi yun yung in-order ko, pero love ko pa rin siya kasi binayaran ko siya. So yun, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Also, if you like my no makeup look, walang foundation, walang eyeshadow, walang CC cream, walang BB cream, walang concealer. Just skincare and sun cream, yun lang. And then eyebrows, eyelashes, and lipstick blush on. Yun lang guys. No makeup look. Bye!